Hello everyone, we are APPLEMAC KOBE shop. We are located very near the west exit of JR Motomachi station. And we can fix any kind of devices such as Mac, iMac, Windows, Android, iPhones, iPad, smartphones and tablets. Basically anything you need to get fixed, you can get it done here. And we also run as a pawn shop, so we will buy your used products and we sell second-hand items as well. Our opening hours are from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. and our days off are Monday and Tuesday. And we have a special deal for people who are getting the effects of the coronavirus and you cannot go home with the travel restrictions. We have a special discount service for your items. You can bring here and get a good price. We will also buy your used items for a higher price than usual. So come visit us anytime. We're waiting to see you. Peace. Goodbye.